Okay, so hopefully you understood that first problem. Now we're going to go to one that's a little harder. And so if you can just imagine this figure as a flag. I know it's kind of funny looking, but that's like a flag. And we're going to try to figure out in this problem what the total area of this shape is. So if we're thinking of it as a flag, how much material is used on here? So you can think of your favorite team. My favorite team is U of L, the Cards, because I go to Louisville. But you can envision right now your favorite team on this flag. So I'm trying to make a flag. But I need to know how much material that I need to get. So again, I'm looking at this shape and I'm thinking, what do I know? I know that my width is 8 inches. And I know that my height is 6 plus 6 inches. So guys, if you think about that, that would be, 12 inches. So that would be the total height of that. So I know that my width is 8 inches and my height is 12 inches. And so now I'm trying to figure out what my area is. But again, I do not know how to find the area of this kind of shape. I only know how to find the area of a rectangle because of course it has even sides. It has all straight angles, so that makes it easy to measure. But when I get into this stuff, it gets a little trickier. So just like the last problem, I can rearrange this material any way I want, and it'll still be the same amount of material. I didn't get rid of any of it. So since I know I can find the area of a rectangular shape or a square shape, I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to try to rearrange my shape so that that works. So I can move this guy out, okay, and move him up here. See how that works? So that now I have all straight angles. That's really helpful. But I still can't just multiply 8 times 12 because this part of the shape is cut out. So if you guys remember Ms. Arnold's example of the lawn, so if you imagine like this space is a swimming pool, it doesn't include the yard. So I can't simply multiply this way, the width times the height. That's just not going to work because that would include this area, which there is no material in this area. So I am actually going to mess around with this. How can I make this straight? Well, I think I can do two things. Okay, guys, I could actually divide this up going down this way. Okay, so that way it would look like it would be a rectangle and another rectangle. Or I can do, so if I did not do it that way, if I split the shape up this way, which is fine, you can do either way, I could also cut it across this way. Now I have a rectangle and another rectangle here. So since I already have that drawn, I'm just going to go ahead and use that. So what do I know? What is my width? 8 inches. This shape up here is 8 inches. And then what is my height? Is it 12? No, because I'm only doing this part of the shape. So I want to only look at this part. So I have 8 inches in width and 6 inches in height. And so I know that if I times these, that I can find the area of this shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and say 8 times 6 equals 48.